Hi guys, this is Sec4. I'm going to show you guys in this video a London open breakout type of trade that didn't quite pull through. Okay, it kind of faded away as it was unfolding, and when it finally it just showed that a lack of momentum, and when it finally gave out the signal, I decided not to take it. Okay, I'm going to explain you why. First of all, let's talk about the setup. Okay, today is Thursday. By the way, today is the 24th of May. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is a live trade. Okay. Today, this is today's price action, yesterday's price action, day before, and day before. All right, that's what's been going on now this week. As you can see, we've been making higher highs, all right, higher lows. As I mentioned on the website, I am not too strict as far as the moving averages formation when it comes to trading the London open breakout. It's not about it's not as much about having an orthodox harmonic swinging formation, but about having a more or less clear one directional bias for the week. In this case, it's clearly up. All right, just have a look at the individual days ranges. All right, it's clearly that we are having an upward bias for the whole week. Okay, for the last few days, that's enough to try the London open breakout. Moreover, this is what's been going on, what I've marked in red during the Tokyo session, the overnight Tokyo session. As you can see, price has been ranging horizontally wise throughout pretty much actually most of the night. Okay, let's zoom out to the 15-minute chart for a clearer view. There we are. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Alright, yeah, I've got what's been going on during the Tokyo session marked in red in the chart. So you can see we've come from a nice move to the upside, then we move throughout the very quiet Tokyo session in a range band horizontal mood. Okay. Then as London opens right there, price shoots up, breaks to the upside in the direction of the intra-week move, okay, in the direction of the intra-week one directional bias. We have the breakout to the upside right there. Moreover, we have the pull back down to form a support resistance area now working as support. It kind of breaches down a little bit, okay, down this area, this level that had been working as resistance for about 10 pips. But when trading the London open breakout, it's a breakout that happens in a lot of momentum. All right, so you should not be too strict, okay, as when it comes to identifying those levels of support and resistance. This is the area more or less, okay. So you can't just say, all right, I want price to stop at this precise level. In the London open breakout, it's not quite that easy, okay, because it happens in too much momentum, and price sometimes just dives through, like in here, right? As long as it doesn't go all the way down to the low end of the range, okay, meaning this area, as long as the retrace kind of freezes still at the upper end of the range, that's all right, like in this case. So basically we have the breakout, the pullback, all right, and finally I was looking into the continuation aspect, triggering this, taking out this breakout thrust, making new highs for the day, and in order to search for a continuation of the move as we've seen to the upside, as we've seen throughout the week. However, before giving out the actual signal right there, as you can see, breakout, pullback, we didn't quite just get a momentum push to the upside. Remember, London Open breakout is all about momentum, okay? You want it to happen, you want the whole setup to unfold in no more than 3, 4, 5 hours, okay? However, in this, I mean, for the whole move up, okay, you don't want it, you want it to be finished by the time the American market opens. However, in this case, we had a clean breakout, a clean pullback, but the third aspect, the continuation aspect, wasn't clean at all. It's just messed around, okay, sideways for the rest of the London session. All right. Even even at the end of London session, we kind of dived back into the overnight session range. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, I want price to up on breakout, pullback to continue a more or less clear direction, okay, in this case to the upside. It didn't quite do that, all right. It just, we had the breakout, the pullback, but then it moved horizontally wise for the rest of the London session. Eventually, by the end of London session, right here, it triggered what it would have been the long entry, but I didn't take it because I saw momentum basically slowing down to a crawl throughout the entire London session, alright, and now it seems like it's finally pushing up. Now it's 4 a.m. Euro time. We are already in the very late end of the Euro session, okay, of the London session. The American market is already opened, and I am not ready to trade at all. I mean, we are trading at London open breakout, okay, not a US open breakout, okay, guys. So this